every time that happens, every time I would see that, oh, someone is doing something and I'm not doing something, I would go again crying to my husband, telling, I'm not doing this, dude, I'm not doing this, what do I do? Then he's like, don't worry, you will win. Don't worry, you'll win. I saw a lot of fakeness and it was just unreal for me because I'm not like, say I come and tell you, I've never gossiped, okay, so I don't know. Say I come and tell you that I don't like this person, la 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 la. But then again, when we both are together and this person comes, I'm talking nicely to her. I'm like, how? How can you talk nicely? In a ramp walk, your hip has to move. Your hip has to move in a certain way. Your posture is different.
Okay.
You're not sitting every day like this.
Completely, it's like a
Yeah,
inverted.
but you have to have a little arch in your back. And walking in the heels is not easy.
Pointed heel.
Yeah, pointed heels. You have to kick when you walk. I think you could say that they were mothers and they were.
And also
Also because most of them weren't from the pageant industry. If they were already from the pageant industry, probably they would have maintained a certain way even after the child.
So welcome back, Pujita. So this segment, we are going to talk something very interesting, which generally people don't talk about, and Pujita agreed to share her viewpoints and what she observed. The pressure, the politics, the stress between the participants, and also the pressure that's given by the agency or by the industry and all these things. So let's start with the pressure that actually builds up invisibly from the audition or the first day that you all meet. You know, everybody wants to win. All the 30 girls who came there wants to win.
No, I don't think so. Some people came for the experience purely.
That would be a very slight percentage, some very tiny. Maybe
Yeah.
the 30, 10 would have come.
Yeah. So others would have definitely come there to win. Otherwise, they wouldn't have worked this hard. And of course, that invisibly, that stress does.
There is a
build.
friction that's built.
Definitely.
I'm sure you go all when the first time you were all introduced and met, the hugs would have happened, warm hugs and nice. But then
I'm not a. So I sense that vibe from far, and I will be away.
Okay.
And if I don't feel like hugging a person, I don't hug a person.
So when you said that, when you sensed it from far, clearly there was low vibes also.
Of course, yeah, because it's a mixed kind of thing, right? It's a mixed group. Mixed group coming from different backgrounds and everything.
Different regions.
Different regions.
You know, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and Kerala to
Delhi, Uttar Pradesh,
Mumbai, and
different.
the exposures are different. The
Yeah.
culture is different. So how was it the first time you met, and what was the vibe there?
The first time we met was for our introduction video shoot. I actually had just finished a show and I went overnights to Mumbai. It was strenuous, but then that experience was it was all about it. It was very busy, and I didn't really get time to sit and talk to anyone. People did sit and talk, and
Networking.
Networking
Or
was happening.
to understand the competition.
Yeah. But I was trying my best to stay away from the diet conversations and all of that. I didn't really.
Oh, this is a very given topic of conversation.
No, they might be talking. They talk. No, I lost this much kgs. This is how much I've lost since I registered.
Usually,
I don't want to listen to that, so
Got it.
I just walk away from that.
Okay.
But the first time that I met these people, it was very nice, actually, very heartwarming. And this is the first time I was meeting them out of the social media, right? So it was mostly about, oh, who is this?
Connecting people to their photographs and videos.
Yeah. So
That you would have had certain expectation because you saw them on the social media. You would have known who all the participants, and now connecting and seeing the real person. Did it match?
Some people it didn't. Did the picture look very different from how they look?
Okay.
Like, honestly, it didn't. It just didn't. But yeah, to whoever I spoke to, it was it was nice to meet them and share things, and it was not any negative or anything.
Nice.
It was because also I didn't talk a lot, so I don't know
Okay.
much.
Mm.
But yes, after that was when our training started. Right? So that's when we started seeing each other,
Skills
understanding
and
each other,
attitudes.
talking to each other, and all of that. And that is when I was not stressed really, but then I was always like, oh my god, this person is doing this, I have not started this, oh my god, because I had 100 other things going on. Like I was doing so many things beyond my age. I was the youngest
Okay.
in the pageant, and
And from experience also, this is your first experience.
yeah,
Yes.
first and last.
I would love to know why last.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, there were.
So usually what happens is we are confident when we are alone and doing things. But when we see someone doing it a little better or a little different, it just questions our prep.
No, for me, the major part was the stress kicked in when I got to know that I have not taken one-on-one session from any of these coaches that they were providing. I just took these online sessions and I was done with it. But people actually went and took one-on-one
What
sessions.
kind of courses they took?
Like coach, like
Yeah, coach.
like
What kind of-
walking or speaking skills, all of this. Few people met these people, and that's when I was like, oh my god, I've not done this, I've not done this. But
No,
again,
but those were all separate billing items, no? You if you had
that
opted
is individual to
individual to
say you coached us, all of us online. But if I want to take a session with you, that is me and you.
Okay, got it. That's a personal thing.
Yeah. But every time that happens, every time I would see that, oh, someone is doing something and I'm not doing something, I would go again crying to my husband, telling, I'm not doing this, dude. I'm not doing this. What do I do? Then he's like, don't worry, you will win. Don't worry, you'll win. Don't worry. So he always, and he kept telling me constantly, don't think about what others are doing. Just think about what you are doing. So that kept kicking in. So my
You
stress
kept you
was
sane.
not. Yeah, I was sane. I was definitely sane. I don't think a lot of us lost it
Okay.
in at least in this group, because it was a very mature bunch. And yeah, of course, I saw a lot of fakeness, and it was just unreal for me, because I'm not like say I come and tell you, I've never gossiped, okay?
Okay.
So I don't know. Say I come and tell you that I don't like this person, la 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 la. But then again, when we both are together and this person comes, I'm talking nicely to her. I'm like, how? How can you talk nicely to a person that you absolutely hate? So this fakeness I don't get. You can see it on my face only if I'm fake, I guess. I really don't know. And I don't know to lie also. When I lie, I look down or something like that.
Easily can.
Or I will only come and tell that I lied. Sorry.
Interesting. Or these things not to do in fashion industry because
Probably.
no? Okay, maybe these are the reasons, one of many reasons why it's lost.
Probably.
Okay. How toxic was the situation and why do you say that it was toxic?
It was that the 5 days were not
Not
toxic in any way.
Ah.
We were just busy. We were busy the entire time. So that I don't mind. I'm used to that. I'm an
Hustling.
artist. Okay, so I'm used to the hustle and bustle. That I was absolutely
Okay.
fine with. It was toxic to me personally because I don't want to lose weight,
So for
doing
you,
a crash diet and all of that.
That
It's
was-
one life. I want to live it.
perfect. Okay.
So I am not good. See, I am a person who chooses health. Okay, but that doesn't mean that I let go of my mental health. My physical health and my mental health are equally important for me. So now, if I say that it's been about, I was not feeling well, and for like from 4 days, I started my proper nutritious diet. What diet actually means, not like leave that, leave this. And I was happily eating properly without restricting. That is why, because I didn't restrict, today when my mom gave me gulab jamun, I ate 2 and I was satisfied.
And you're happy.
Yeah.
No guilt.
Yeah. If I had restricted myself, I would have probably eaten 10.
Mm.
So I don't want to go back to that toxicity. And I also feel like
See, then I had to ask you this. You did crash diet and somehow you pulled through the 1 month and you finished. But then when you got to know that you're not in the top 7, you left.
Mm.
And then you also, I was following you. You explored Mumbai, all the food joints.
I've stayed in Mumbai for like 9 months or something before
Mm.
for a project.
Mm.
So that time I couldn't really go out and eat.
Mm.
And because of this 1 month
Ah.
that I had restricted, I wanted to eat.
Ah.
That is what led me to that. If I had not restricted myself that much, I wouldn't have eaten that much. Like I ate every hour.
Exactly. We were
That
following.
is that is definitely unhealthy.
But was it also because, was that the way you handled the failure? I mean, and I
No.
don't like.
No.
Or was it like, unleashed, now I don't have anything to follow and anything.
No. So I had decided already.
Ah.
I will win.
After winning also, you would have done
after
the same
winning
thing.
also, I would have done the same thing.
Brilliant.
But like I would have done it only for that 1 week when I was in Mumbai. I would have come back and gone back to my diet.
Okay.
But this time I took 1 month nicely because I didn't win. I was easy on myself and all of that.
Okay.
But yeah, I had decided because I had restricted myself, I would end up watching scrolling food on Instagram.
Got it. Huh.
Okay, till then food was not seen on my feed.
Mm.
Like when I decided to get out of this binge eating mentality is when I had done a not interested thing for all the food because I didn't want to see and crave for it.
Right.
Right. And then I see my feed, it's full of food.
Mm-hmm.
So I kept saving when I'm in Mumbai, when I'm in Mumbai, when I'm in Mumbai. So that's what happens with this binge eating disorder.
How harmful it is.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Mhm. How did this impact your sleep, and that impacted your stress levels also in that 4 days? And
in the 4 days. 4 days we hardly slept. We all slept for like 4 hours maximum.
how busy you were doing what?
Because we have this prep. 4 days is not enough for the prep.
What happens in this 4 days? You met and this is the thing.
So we'll have show directors who will be directing how the show has to happen on the finale day.
Mm-hmm.
So how we are walking, where we are going, what is the choreography, and we had like a dance choreography, opening number, all of that. Along with that, fittings we'll have, and sometimes for subtitles we had competitions.
Mm-hmm.
So like this and personal interview prep. All of this.
So subtitles, everyone participates in all the titles? Or?
Yeah.
Oh,
Everyone participates. No, it's not necessary really. Like for example, for talent, I don't think everyone talent was the only thing that happened before the pageant week.
Mm-hmm.
Like they asked us to send videos.
Okay.
Out of that, 6 were shortlisted.
Okay.
So not everyone participated in that. And there was one more thing called, I think, Mrs. Popularity, Congeniality or something like that. That had paid votes.
Okay.
Like if I text you, if you were to vote for me, you had to pay 100 rupees on the vote.
Ooh.
I have a lot of people who love me. Okay, they would have voted if I had sent, but I'm against that because, say, my student, not all my students are coming from a very good financial background, but then they want their teacher to win, no?
Right.
So I don't want that love to be justified by this money. So I didn't even share about it.
Okay.
Once, I think one last day when I was leaving, I just posted about it, and then that post doesn't exist anymore. It's down. Because for me, love shouldn't
Be money.
You shouldn't be showing your love to me through money.
Yeah, this was more like that. I love you, so pay.
Yeah.
Right.
So that I didn't participate in. So you were not really participated. You don't have to participate in all the subtitles, but
You can choose.
the other things they are only selecting. Like Beautiful Smile. I was shortlisted for Beautiful Smile. I was shortlisted for one more thing. Tech Diva. Social media. So that they decide. Some they decide then and there. Like one Mrs. Personality by how they answer.
Okay.
And someone won Mrs. Ramp Walk. I don't know what was the criteria.
So ramp walk becomes very critical skill, no?
It is not
in
easy.
the fashion world.
It is not
and
easy.
It's not easy. Why? We just walk from the time 8 months, 9 months we're walking.
A ramp walk is not easy.
What makes it so difficult?
In ramp, you can see people walking like this. So
Yeah, like a child. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
but in a ramp walk, your hip has to move.
Okay.
Hip has to move in a certain way.
Uh-huh.
Your posture is different.
Okay.
You're not sitting every day like this. Right?
Completely, it's like a
Yeah.
inverted.
Yeah. But you have to have a little arch in your back.
Uh-huh.
And walking in the heels is not easy.
Pointed heel.
Yeah, pointed heels. You have to kick when you walk.
Oh, every time?
Otherwise, you won't be able to walk. Otherwise, your knee won't be straight. You will look like a camel if your knees are not straight.
Wow. Okay. Then?
So, because we are not people who are used to that high heels, no?
Yes.
So we will tend to like walk like this with bent knees. You have to have long strides.
Okay.
It is a skill. Ramp walk is not easy.
How long did you train yourself for that? Or did you know ramp walk earlier?
No, I didn't know. But I learned from my friend and she has one of the best ramp walks.
So what was
That's
it for
how
the
I
first
think
week of training for you?
First week.
When you were introduced to ramp walk and all these techniques?
No, I didn't learn from her every day. No, I think I went for her for like 4 or 5 sessions. Between these sessions, I would practice whenever I had time. She had taught me the exercises that I had to do with the heels to be comfortable.
Is it still I used to book on your head and walk? Is that all still?
People do that.
Okay.
Book on the head, but then I didn't need the book on the head training, I guess. Probably because I'm a dancer.
Okay.
Probably.
Okay.
Because she didn't train me with that. Only my hips, my legs, my hands. Hands should move a certain way. Everything you have to have your core held.
Okay.
Otherwise, your posture is not going to be straight.
Sakan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're not going to be straight, long. You have to be elongated.
We easily comment on people on the ramp and
It's not easy.
we should just ask one person to do that. That's where they realize how difficult it is to hold that posture.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That itself is a big challenge, no?
Yeah.
Being a-
Well, when you're doing all of this, you have to be graceful in your face.
Wow.
You can't be concentrating in your face.
Knee straight, looking good at the same time, put a smile. Oh, that's a lot of practice and a
Yeah.
lot of training and being there in that time. Okay, interesting. How does being popular / rich or influential help in my participation and winning?
Participation, not much. Anyone can participate.
Okay.
Winning, definitely, because being influential means you are bringing in contacts for your organization.
Yes.
What are the other 2 things? Being rich. Being rich means you are basically, you don't have to think about that aspect. That is a big aspect. And if you're rich, you don't have to think about the money. Right?
So you also were telling that being rich.
They also know that
sponsorships.
they know that you can spend on yourself, so they don't have to worry about you. Right? That is one thing. One more that you asked.
Popularity or social media reach.
Popularity. Popularity, I don't think is very important.
See, if assume some person is having a very good follower. So
It will definitely help.
but not to winning.
Yeah, not to win. It will definitely help.
Okay. So it's influences contacts. I have contacts and
Yeah,
this and that.
because see, if this organization is new or something, if this person posts more about this, so they are spreading.
Yes.
So
They
of
will-
course it does help, but it is not everything according to me.
Okay. But the combination of all these 3 is great.
Yeah.
If you're, then you're there already. Okay. You can buy the crown. How
Ish.
true is it? Buying the crown?
Oh, there are organizations that do that.
How?
Apparently, I don't know. I've not been there. I've not
But
seen
then
a lot
what
of
have you
pageantry.
heard about it?
This is what
Because
I've heard. There is bidding system
Okay.
that happens. Some parents sponsor.
Okay.
So if they're one of the sponsors, that means their daughter should win.
So it's actually
Daughter should win. Daughter should be in top 5. Something like that.
Okay.
Something like that. But if they're like a big sponsor,
This is Mrs. India, so wife should be in that.
it can be both. Mrs. India advantage. No,
Advantage. Both
have a
parts.
husband also, father also.
So two sponsorship you get.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the generally what kind of backgrounds were the participants from?
Oh, we had varied backgrounds. That's why
I mean the
told you.
financial backgrounds I'm talking about.
Of
Not the education of the participant, but the background. Is it like almost everyone were either a wife of a business person or an industrialist daughter, that kind of a background?
not everyone, no. But then we had a lot of people from the army background. Their fathers or their uh, brothers or their husbands were from the army. A lot of them.
Okay.
A lot of them had influential or business husbands. I guess I don't know much about these husbands, but I think people were from varied from middle class to really privileged. So I think really privileged had it easy for them.
And did the privileged one?
I can't tell that.
Okay, great. Okay. What are the survival strategies in that kind of a high pressure environment?
Just know that you're giving it your all. If you're giving it your all, you don't have anything to worry about.
Okay. One big question, being a South Indian, I'm very, very interested to know how does the South Indian, North Indian thing, the dynamics work there? How are you treated
You're
in that?
treated the same way, I am guessing.
Are you sure?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm guessing. Yeah, I think you're treated the same way, but then you will be judged a different way, I'm guessing.
How? How do you say so? And why do you say
Because of my walk scores. I don't know. I really don't know. It might be.
so? Okay.
You might be judged differently, or I don't know if others were treated differently.
Okay.
I was not really mingling a lot, or whatever genuine doubts I had, I would ask.
Okay.
I would.
Does Muska butterifying and all works there?
I'm trying to reflect. Yeah,
Works. And
Works.
what level of buttering works?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't
You have
know
not
because-
observed also.
Yeah, I've not observed.
Okay. What did you learn the best from the contestants? Not from the entire, but I saw this and I really liked it. Maybe this is something I need to pick up. What?
Oh, I had a wonderful roommate. Okay,
Hmm?
she.
Oh, is this a shared room?
Yeah. All the pageants will have like 2 girls in a room,
Okay.
and I had a wonderful roommate who was super chill. And it's very sad how very talented. Okay, she speaks very well. Needed work, but she speaks very well. But she chose to not work on her walk because she also thought that they are not going to make me win because
She came prepared that she knew that she's not going
because
to.
I'm not looking a certain type according to them.
What is that certain type?
I've told
Skinny. Okay.
because she's beautiful also.
And she's married and
Yeah.
okay. Does a body type differ as per your? Because you said the contestants were also having children and elder children also, not just like. So how the body type was different from the one who didn't have yet a child, and then also people that's the body type, or even they had worked to be that skinny.
Very, like, I think there was this one person who was naturally skinny and had a kid. She's beautiful also. But no, I think you could say that they were mothers and they were not.
And also the way
Also because most of them weren't from the pageant industry. If they were already from the pageant industry, probably they would have maintained a certain way even after the child. Now I am into dancing and I'm into fitness also, right? Now once I have a child, later I want to strive to get back to this form.
yes,
Whatever I like, however I want to look, because I want to look a certain way as a dancer.
yes,
Not because
that's needed or in
not because that's needed or such people can't dance or anything, because I feel like in my fittest form when I
Whatever you're comfortable, you want to get back to that kind of thing.
That's all.
Similar. Okay. Again, this segment is amazing. We
Mm.
got to know a lot of inside things, and that too between contestants, and also, the pressure that you take, and the toxic in indirect way, not in the event.
Correct.
It was beautiful. In the next episode, we are going to do a little bit of a myth versus fact, which will be interesting.
Okay.
Yeah. And also we'll talk about the wrap-up kind of a segment where we will summarize all that we discussed. Okay?
Done.
Thank you.
Thank you.